Hi, I'm Darren Thiessen. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing with Meridian Manufacturing Group. Meridian Manufacturing Group is committed to being an employer of choice with core values of excellence in management of resources, quality manufacturing, creative marketing, and service with integrity.
State-of-the-art technologies, innovative business strategies, behind the scenes, insights from cutting-edge users around the globe on World Business Review with Alexander Haig.
Welcome to World Business Review. I'm Alexander Haig. Frequent applications of top-dressing sand is a practice used by many golf courses. Storing the sand while keeping it easy to handle and preventing contamination is the challenge. Here for this discussion is Darren Thiessen, Director of Sales and Marketing for the Meridian Manufacturing Group. Welcome. We're delighted to have you, Darren.
Thank you. It's good to be here, Al.
Also joining us is Brett Grams, Technical Sales Manager for Walpaca Sand and Solutions. Welcome to you. We're delighted to have you, Brett.
Thanks.
Now, Brett, how do frequent and light applications of sand benefit a golf course?
Today's golf course superintendents use top dressing sand as one of their main cultural practices to keep the putting greens and the surfaces smooth. Smooth equals speed and consistency from green to green, and that's what today's golfers demand.
Now, Darren, how is sand being stored today?
Golf courses are storing sand in piles, in open-air piles, open to the elements, which makes the sand subject to contamination.
Now, for more, let's go to this World Business Review field report.
Today's high-quality green conditions can be attributed to frequent light applications of top-dressing sand. Sand store silos may make this process more efficient.
The sand stores allowed us to store sand in a manner economically that keeps it dry and also prevents weed seeds from contaminating it. Using the dry sand versus sand that is damp or wet allows us to apply the sand on the surface of the green during play, and it has no negative influence on the ball roll.
By containing the sand and functioning as a one-man operation, costs may be greatly reduced.
What I was able to do was to calculate the cost difference between purchasing sand in a 50-pound bag compared to purchasing it in bulk, and then calculate in the amount of sand that we use per year, and was able to show our ownership that the sand store would pay for itself in a year. And it's been 1 year now since we purchased it, and I can say that it has paid for itself in a year.
The appeal to dealers is that it's aesthetically pleasing and will complement any maintenance operation.
We sell top dressing sand to the superintendents here in Florida. In the summertime, there is a need to keep that sand dry for application. Sand store silo is perfect.
For World Business Review, I'm Michael Clark reporting.
Now, Darren, how is the sand being stored now with your sand store silo?
It's being stored in our silo, which is a smooth wall, all welded tank, which basically protects the sand from contamination and keeping it dry.
Very good. Now, Brett, where does one get dry sand and how is it delivered?
There are numerous sand supply companies located throughout the country that can deliver this precision and size sand specifically for the golf courses. And if you have a sand store silo, the material will come in a pneumatic tanker truck, and it'll take about 30 minutes to fill the silo completely with 25 to 27 tons of sand per load.
Well, gentlemen, we've reached that point where we have to terminate this very interesting, especially for golfers like I am, this very interesting discussion. But before doing so, I want to thank you, Darren, for your fine presentation today.
Well, thanks for having me.
And Brett, you've also been indispensable to this discussion. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching. Until next time, for World Business Review, I'm Alexander Haig.